Today we are clipping our ducks' feathers on their wings to keep them from flying out of their cage. That's over here. We already got about 15 or so of them done. They're already in this cage. The males are out here wondering what's going on. So we've had a problem like this for quite a while, and we figured out this is how you can do it. So we're about to show you how in today's video. Okay, so all you gotta do, you grab your wing, you snip about, I'd say 2 inches off of the wing. You just do that all the way down. It's super simple. So what I would say, you don't want to go past these second feathers all along here. All these feathers don't have any nerves. It'd be like clipping my fingernails or my hair. It doesn't hurt them at all. But to be safe, we just take off 2 inches just to be 100% sure. Okay, put in the cage.
I don't have control of all the way.
So then all you gotta do is you only have to clip one wing because they cannot fly out of their cages with one wing clipped off. They don't have enough coordination to fly out because there's not the same amount of airlift getting them off the ground. And I'll keep them in their cages for about, I'd say, a month and a half. Then you gotta clip their feathers again on their wings for whatever purposes you want to have them in the cages. For us, it's so that way we don't have to hunt for their eggs like their Easter eggs. Makes it easier, and it's much more manageable to keep them safe in here. So then we just repeated these steps with a couple more of the females. They can be hard to control, so make sure you have full control over their body before you start clipping, because they will smack you in your face with their wings. This one is our big Muscovy male that we put in with them. In case any of you guys are wondering, these all are Muscovies, except for that turkey back there and those Appleyards that I mentioned before. This guy here, well, he was a little bit of trouble. Chased him around for a minute and a half, could not catch him, and then he put himself in poopy duck water. So yeah, that was nice. It's the next day and they're all still in here, so I'd say it worked. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this, subscribe for more.